नारायण समारंभां व्यास शंकर मध्यमां अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वंदे गुरु परंपरां. Jai Gurudev. Today I am going to reveal about the secret of this yoga technique. Everybody knows that, or saying that the yoga has come from Patanjali Maharshi. Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga is only the yoga which has been adopted by everyone in the world since from very long time. But a question arises that was there not the yoga technique before Patanjali Maharshi? It's a question. Before Patanjali Maharshi, there are so many Maharshis are there, so many people were there, Kruta Yuga was there. So, they don't know about the yoga, they don't do the yoga, they don't perform the yoga before Maharshi Patanjali. Have we ever think about this? Only we think about Maharshi Patanjali regarding the yoga technique, meditation technique. So the question comes, what is there? Who was there? From where this yoga has started? The practice of yoga has started. Right? So now you just listen carefully. I am not talking about the mythology. I am talking about the science, technology. Right? So what the modern science says? So this entire the universe might have come from a small atom expanding and expanding and expanding and expanding. They may say that this is a Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory is not that explosion, is not the explosion of something. It is an expansion of a small particle. And millions of years it is going on and expanding on. So, where is this particle has come from? How it has started expanding. So it is a secret. Please listen carefully. So in the beginning, what was there in this universe? There was nothing. Shunya. But science also says in this Shunya also something special is there. You may call it as in a force or whatever, existence, whatever it is there. So, in one video I explained you that, so zero. So in the beginning it was zero, nothing was there. But that zero was very powerful. That zero, you may think this is in a story, but the reality is there. How this universe has come from and how it is the universe, creation of universe is related with the meditation, yoga technique. Right? So, this zero has thought, I have to do something because I am zero. No maza, nothing. No activity. No gimmicks. No entertainment. So, zero has started thinking this and he started to create something for his entertainment. So, this zero, you can call it as Narayanam. We have given the name, but it is no shape, no size, nothing. It is totally zero. But we call it as a Narayanam. So, this zero, Narayanam, has thought that to create some entertainment. So he created something. So we call it as an existence, whatever it may be. Some material has been there. So we call it as existence. Existence means intelligence. Please think about. So he just created some existence, what we call it as an intelligence, because the universe is nothing but the intelligence. Gyan, Brahman. So he created some existence, or we will call it as an Brahman, the knowledge. So this zero, Narayanam, asked the Brahman, that means existence, here I am getting bored, just create something, some universe, whatever you call it as, create. Then Brahman said, that existence, intelligence said, okay sir, I will create. That is what we call it as an ego. Aham, ahankar. If you are leaving this ahankar, you are becoming the zero. That means enlightened. You are becoming Narayanam itself. So he said, okay sir, I will create. So zero disappeared. And this intelligence or existence, or you can call it as an Brahman, Narayanam, Padmabhavam. Padmabhavam means this is the Brahman. So he said, okay, I can create the universe. Zero disappeared. And this existence, intelligence, Brahman, he doesn't know what to create. He already said to Narayanam, okay, I can create with a great ego, but he doesn't know what to create, how to create, where to create. What do you mean by the universe? What are the things that are going to be existence in the universe? So he was just confused. He was nothing to do. Then he thought, see, I am very egoistic. I am not supposed to be that much of egoistic. So what I am supposed to create? Then he just, hey Prabhu, hey Zero, hey Narayanam, please appear. So he came. Then said, sir, I don't know what to create, how to create, which to create. You said, create universe. Then Zero smiled. Okay, I'll let you know. I am just getting inside you. And you come to me. So I am just teaching you how to come to reach me. Got it? The zero taught the existence or intelligence, yoga, meditation. And he said, reach to me. And I will start creating the things. You just reach me and I will tell you what you are supposed to do. So he has to go to yoga, meditation. So that creative intelligence. That base is said to be creative intelligence. Existence is intelligence. Now, the zero itself has been entered. Narayanam has been entered in this existence. Creative, creation. So, what will have become it? Creative intelligence. Got it? That is the Chetana. Consciousness. This is actually the meditation has started from the beginning of the universe, my dear friends. Please understand. Understand this very, very intelligent concept to be understood. It's not so easy. We are saying there is no roop, rang, taste, smell, whatever to the Creator, unseen, all pervading, omniscient, unbounded. So, he is there within himself. Brahma, close your eyes, meditate. There in the bottom, so he starts saying, oh, these 5 elements, Ahankara, Buddhi, already is there, Man ke baad. So, all these 5 elements, and they start expanding, expansion. All these galaxies, stars, constellations, solar system, sun, planets. So, on one planet, we are living. Now got it? So meditation is not from the Patanjali. It has started from the creation itself. That was the creator, creative intelligence. First, he has created the existence, that is the intelligence. Then he himself entered into that. That's why we are fortunate to have him within us. That's why we are saying Janmanam Narajanma Durlabham. Got it? So, then what Patanjali sir said? Patanjali sir is opened this secret yoga technique to Admi. All the people he has disclosed, and that yoga system has been rotten. Ashtanga yoga, yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, samadhi. So everybody has separated it. Each one has taken one part. Someone taken yama, niyama as itself is in a yoga. Someone has taken asanas itself in a yoga. Someone has become a guru and taken the pranayama as itself a yoga. So in this way, the yoga has been misinterpreted according to this people's intellect. So, whatever they are having in their mind, it has been become separated. One has said to be yoga. I am a yoga guru. Ban jao. You become yoga guru. I am hatha yoga. Ban jao hatha yoga. So in this way, the yoga has lost its purity. Before Patanjali Maharshi, it was maintained very secret. Narayanam Padmabhavam Vasishtam Shakti Parasharancha. So from Guru to Shishya, Shravana, Manana, Nidhi, Dhyasa. This was the system to learn the knowledge. Yoga is nothing but the gaining the knowledge, knowing the secrets of the nature, to behave according to the laws of nature. Now, don't say that Patanjali yoga is the yoga. It has started from the Narayana, from the beginning of the universe. That is the yoga technique. Now understood? Please think what I said. I am not giving the names, shapes, Brahma, 4 heads of Brahma. I am not saying Brahma is not. Brahma means knowledge. That was the existence. Existence was the intelligence. So this zero has entered into it. Narayana has entered into that. So that existence has become the creation. It has been started moving. So that's why creative intelligence. Creative is the Narayana, that is the zero. Intelligence is the Brahman, knowledge. So it starts expanding. Entire the universe is nothing but the knowledge. Okay? Jai Gurudev. Please, if you like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Jai Gurudev.